Welcome to this pregnancy breathwork pranayama practice that you can safely do in all your trimesters. Let's begin this practice by coming into any comfortable seated position and bringing hands down to Gyan Mudra, tip of your index touching your thumb. Ujjayi breath. The inhale and exhale is through your nose. But when you exhale, you create a slight constriction at the back of your throat, creating a hissing noise, like you're fogging a mirror with your mouth closed. Inhale through the nose. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. To release. Alternate nostril breathing or Anulom Vilom. For this, you're going to take your right hand, you're going to take your pointer and your tall finger to place it right in between your eyebrows. Now you're going to close the left nostril with your ring finger and your right nostril with your thumb. The basic idea is to close one nostril, inhale through one, alternating your breath between your nostrils. We're going to do this together. Let's close the left nostril with your ring finger. Inhale through the right. Close the right. Exhale to the left. Inhale through the left. Close the left. Exhale to the right. Inhale through the right. Close the right. Exhale left. Inhale to the left. Close the left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Close right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Close left to exhale right. Inhale right. Close right, exhale left. Inhale left, close left, exhale right. Inhale right, close right, exhale left. Inhale left, close left, exhale right. One more inhale through the right. Close the right to final exhale to the left. And release. Placing your right hand on your chest and connecting your left hand with your baby. Moment of silence as we connect with our baby. My baby is safe and loved in my womb. My baby is healthy and happy. And also bring in awareness to normalize your breath. And maybe diving a little bit more inward with no wandering thoughts, no distractions. And just thanking our body for this beautiful, beautiful gift. And I am ready and capable of being a great mother. I trust my body to know what to do. And slowly open your eyes. Drop down your head towards one side. Press to feel the stretch. And switch to the other side. Finding a spine stretch as you turn to look back. Beautiful stretch for the spine. And take it to the other side. Let's close practice with hands on prayer. placing it on your forehead. With you come the kindest thoughts. Hands down to mouth. And with kind thoughts come out kindest of words. And hands to chest. Look down into your own heart, full of love and compassion for good deeds, for good thoughts, for good words, comes the kindest of hearts. Thank you so much, and I will see you very soon. Take care, and namaste.